Touche Éclat. I wanted this for as long as I can remember. So we know that we can wear it alone. This particular shade has a pinkier undertone, and that's going to brighten my skin tone. These are pretty sheer on their own, but let me teach you how I really like to brighten with pink. Ooh, that does look nice. If you ever want to get extra brightening benefits from something like this, notice that concealer is very close to my skin tone. Blend it out like we always do. Now we have a really nice base, and we're going to use the pink as a brightening topper. And I like to put pink brightener on top rather than under so it doesn't get muddy. It stays really nice and bright. Now look at that. If you have hollows, this is such a great way to correct them. I would actually add a little bit extra, but it is important to have that base that we've laid down first. Without this balancing shade underneath it, we could just add more shadows. So this is important. Set with your favorite powder. Now look at that before and that after. Super comfortable, and you actually wind up wearing less when you balance and then brighten. Now this is something you definitely want to save for later.